afternoon, and thank you so much for allowing me to do this talent development project. I really appreciate your time, and I don't know your name so well, pronunciation, sorry about it. I know Esther, and Maria, and Katie.
Yes.
So today I'm going to talk about the language development, how we can improve the language inside the classroom in various ways throughout the day. That's what I'm going to tell. So the role of teachers are extremely important for literacy in preschool. The teachers are like architects. Like for a building, you build it. An engineer is needed. For the same for children, you guys are like engineers for the language development. And early literacy starts from the early they say that usually it starts even before they are born. According to scientific this thing, they say that the child is in the womb, the language starts. That we speak to the child, it hears the language. So it's very extremely important for the social, cognitive and language. Everything is connected. Is almost connected to your brain language. So it's very important. And there are three here. We are from California. You know that I'm from India, and you guys are from Vietnamese. I don't know. Some people are Mexico. So the children here, they need the home language is different. So we speak at home. I used to speak to my son in different language, and school it's in English. So it's kind of difficult for them to learn English right away. So I'm going to give you some tips how you can improve their English today. And I'm going to show you this California Learning Foundation. This is very, very important. I don't know guys, you know about this.
We have one.
We have okay. There are 3 levels: beginning, middle, and the later. And it depends upon the beginning level that the kids like to speak their home language, and in the middle level they use the vocabulary, and third level is they are kind of comfortable. But the thing is, you have to see that even though they are comfortable, we should not stop doing the activities because they tend to forget soon. So we always have to maintain the pace that we should always make them know the things. This is I don't know whether you have the framework curriculum. The framework.
Absolutely.
Do you have this too?
Yeah.
Okay. This listening, speaking, reading, and writing, all this other important things for the framework. And the listening is children listen with understanding. Speaking is verbal, non-verbal starts with, and then reading is increasing understanding trend conventions, and writing is to communicate their ideas. Let me go quickly. This is access to print. Teachers should label all the objects in the classroom as far as possible so that they know, okay, this is refrigerator. Some people, they don't even know to spell it. If they see the refrigerator, if you put it, then they will know to spell it in the later years. You have to label all the objects. Children's names should be in the, you guys are doing everything already. And poems and always try to read the poem so that it can rhyme the words. And the classroom library, I think they also have a nice classroom library, so it can, a lot of books can be fiction, non-fiction books can be introduced. And there are 3 important things for reading, for language: oral language, listening comprehension, next is alphabetical code, and print knowledge. And teacher's role is critical, I told you. Highly capable teacher required to implement teacher's knowledge. They should know the knowledge of different family backgrounds in California at least, because we come from different backgrounds. You guys should be able to speak maybe an Indian language too, who knows, in future, lot of Indian kids might also come. I should know Spanish if I become a teacher, so that I can speak with children their home language, so that we can incorporate the ideas. For them, it's easy to communicate with us. Teachers should also make sure that all activities are according to, I think you guys have weekly themes. So you have the weekly. So try to put as many words as possible for weekly themes. Try to do a Halloween Halloween thing, and lot of things available. Lot of pictures should be available. And teachers should put words and picture, music time, just not the music instrument, but also what kind of instrument it is, so the kids will know, oh, this instrument is guitar, this is piano, like that. try to always implement know a lot of vocabulary words. And if theme for the week is Halloween, that's what I said. For art, for meals, for example, for dramatic play, everything. And three teaching strategies, that is, teacher serves as a model for everyday language, teachers are provider of experience, and through you guys they learn everything. Everything is, you're the model, role model kind of. A mom is a role model at home, like same kind, like teachers are the role, they copy you this age. So whatever we are doing, we should be be careful in whatever we are doing, because they are going to copy everything from you. During circle time, we should introduce a lot of materials, songs, like already you guys must be doing. I'm just telling you, lot of songs, and show and tell is a very good thing. Okay, show me this, what is this about, and making the child talk about it, so that vocabulary, maybe the communication skills will improve. And reading time, at least 30 minutes should be read per day. I don't know how many according to the curriculum. 30 minutes. Teachers should divide the children into small groups, maybe large groups. Maybe they will see, for me when I come, when there are more kids, they're not able to focus. So maybe small group, 8 to 10 kids. There should be 10 kids. I ask the questions, a lot of questions we need to ask while reading time, so that they know, what they are up to. And next is read and reread. This is extremely important. Read and rereading the same story. This is called STARS, SSTARS. Stress, the new word to focus the child's attention. Okay, today we are reading about Halloween. Okay, what is this word starts from? You can start from that and show the children the word means. Okay, what does anger mean? What is the other word that you can use for anger? So that they will know the word, other word too. Tell the children what the word means and relate the child's, personal experience. Personal experience. Okay, were you angry today? How do you feel today? So that you can evoke their feelings. And say it again, reread the book. Even if you 2-3 times a week, that's okay. Let them read the story, let them know the words that they have learned. And teachers' behavior, speech and action influence child's listening. So we need to be, even though we are tired, we need to be enthusiastic to grab their attention. And take turn interaction. Okay, my turn. Okay, how about you? Your turn now. Listening skill, eye contact. Always look at the eye. The children should look at your eye. And voice variety when you're doing a story. Variety of different voices. Okay, you're talking about monster. What monster mean? Acting. I think you guys are all doing excellent thing. Again, I'm enforcing that. Play conversation. During play also, they exhibit a lot of interaction during role play. The peers, how they talk with, and what do you have to listen. They do lot of conversation during play time. We don't know. We think that just they are playing, but a lot of conversation happen during play time. And this is extremely important. The shared storybook reading. Preschool teachers engage in shared storybook reading when they read to groups from big books, all instances when adults read to children. So we have to, that's what I do. Usually I come here and read aloud. It's kind of share the books and see the picture and everything. And storytelling goals would be development of oral language, and children's vocabulary is improved. They become a confident speakers, and child awareness of the culture, different culture. So I don't know when you guys holidays, Vietnamese function and Diwali, for example, Hindu culture. So you can read different kind of cultural books so that they know all the culture, because we are going to become one soon. This thing is going to, Obama won the election, right? See how many Latinos were there for him to support. So everything we have to, I think I had to learn Spanish soon. And teachers' role for second language, teachers ought to expose to quality book reading. Teachers have to expose to songs and music. Teachers should give better opportunity for play and interaction with English-speaking children. Mealtime conversation. When they sit for the meal, you have to, maybe you can, instead of, we might sometimes sit and watch them, instead of, what is this? what are you guys eating today? Like that, like, oh, sandwich. Okay, what are the things have you added for the sandwich today? Like you can, okay, we can also implement the science. Okay, where does this grow? Let us grow from. Like, do you know how, like tomatoes? Like, where is from? Like, a lot of things you can make them like, language, not just language. We can inculcate the math, science, all the things come in language. And free play conversation. Teacher should build in child to child free play, and they should become like a child. Oh, I know you guys are doing already, like becoming a child once again, talking to their tone. And teacher's role from storytelling discussion. To discuss the sequence of events in a story, to discuss what happens to characters in a story, to discuss the location. Okay, this happened in New York. You can show it in the landmark. Do you know, guys, where New York is? So social studies can also come in here. And multicultural environment, I was telling you, teachers should encourage to share the other cultures, favorite music. You guys can also have the holiday in, so that the different holidays can be celebrated, and they will know what the food items are. Like, again, it is the development of a language. Art and activities, best way for the literacy and brain development. To early childhood, there are 4 ways of arts. The physical, the visual, drama, dance, and music. And disabilities, I know all. I hope that there are disability. We have certain accommodation for the children with special needs. Make sure that they listen. We have a separate place for the place children next to others who can provide help. Create and provide visual aids such as posters and signs for the children with autism. Sometimes they can't understand what you speak, so visually if they show the pictures they can understand better. And combine art with in language arts to create posters, charts, and dramatic wide variety of. You need to do lot of art activities like collage and outdoor. If you take them to outdoor also play, you can create the language literacy development through that when they are playing around.